Reem Hospital UAE is hiring for multiple positions. Often available job opportunities at Reem Hospital: nurse, physician, medical technologist, radiologist, pharmacist, medical secretary, administrative assistant, patient care coordinator, physical therapist, and laboratory technicians. Email address and contact number of Reem Hospital are given below. You can ask for further details and you can send CV to the given email address if you have same experience. Saudi German Hospital Group in UAE hiring for multiple positions. Hiring below positions on an urgent basis of Saudi German Hospital Group UAE. Send your detailed resume to the given email address. UAE experience is mandatory, preferably hospital experience. Number 1, patient experience officer. Number 2, customer service representative. Number 3, admission and billing officer. Number 4, business development manager. Number 3, OT coordinator. Number 6, pharmacy insurance coordinator. Number 7, fire and safety assistant. My friend, if you have been sent your CV to the given email address, it is not enough. For further, you have to make a route plan to drop your CV physically. It's very compulsory, and it's depend upon your location where you are locating. You have to start from one side to another side. Suppose you have been applied for 6 jobs, and you have to make a route plan. You are going to start from last point, then you will come next point like this, and at the end you will drop your CV to the first point. So keep in mind that you are going to drop your same CV which you have been sent to the email address. And for this one, you have to know how to make your CV in mobile phone. For this, you can watch complete video in same YouTube channel. And also, if you are going to drop your CV, you can ask any question, any information when you are going to hiring, or this hiring is closed, or still you are hiring, and when interview is scheduled. And also, you can subscribe my channel to related information. I will also share this information. And for any query, you can ask in comment section. I will help you. A business development officer vacancy is available in UAE. The King's College Hospital London in UAE is hiring business development officer. King's College Dubai Hospital is looking for a business development officer. If you are interested, please share your CV to the given email address. This is jobs for those who has experience. If you don't have experience, no need to apply for this job. 3 managerial level jobs are available: project manager, business development manager, and design manager. L&C recruitment is hiring in Dubai. Number 1, fit out project manager for commercial project. Salary 10,000 to 15,000 dirham. Business development manager, fit out experience is required. Salary 10,000 to 20,000. Fit out design manager, commercial project. Salary is 15,000 to 20,000. To apply, send CV and portfolio to the given email address. Only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. These positions are only for those who have more than 10 years experience in the same field. A HR recruiter job is available in Dubai. Combus is hiring a recruiter on an urgent basis. Must have minimum of 2 to 4 year experience in HR staffing industry in UAE. Must have experience in hiring on a contract and permanent basis. Ability to source the candidates within the time period of short-term and long-term projects. Ability to create and implement sourcing strategy for recruitment for a variety of roles. Excellent time management skills with a proven ability to meet deadlines. Must have excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Coordinate with client for complete the onboarding procedures. Assist with the job posting and advertisement process. Proactive and independent with the ability to take initiative. Work location is Dubai. Salary is 4,000 to 7,000 dirham plus interactive incentive. Interested candidates can share their CV to the given email address.